Hello, my name's Lissy from Stafford Land Rover, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Range Rover 3.0 D300 Edition. Now, this vehicle is a diesel with an automatic transmission, is ULEZ compliant and is finished in Santorini black. To start off with, then you have your pixel LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those low light conditions. Along a 23-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels with a gloss black finish, really complementing against the Santorini black exterior colour. You also have keyless entry, allowing you to either lock or unlock the vehicle, even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find your split boot lid, and once open you can see that you've got a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps a pushchair. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the Perlino Windsor leather upholstery. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest, or you could fold it away to carry that fifth passenger. Moving in through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan around again you can find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. You also have a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is a great feature as it allows all the natural light possible into the cabin. The front seats in this vehicle are both electronically adjustable as well as memory seats, so once you find that comfortable position you are able to save it. You also have the upgraded Meridian sound system, helping to enhance your listening experience on any journey that you may take. On your multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated, you have your hands-free options, volume controls and of course your cruise control. On your infotainment system you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring that you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring that you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. You also have your DAB radio, which is all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so that you can always find something to listen to no matter what. Along with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which allows you to use either Apple or Google Maps, or perhaps just listen to your own music. You also have your 4x4 information, terrain response, drive modes, ride height and of course weight sensing. All these features make the vehicle suited for most off-road terrain and any off-road adventures you may plan or find yourself on. The front seats are in fact heated, which is a luxury to have, especially on those colder days. And pairing with this, they also have a dual zone climate control where they can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger. The car also features a 360 view camera with an off-road version, ideal for those off-road days. Of course, with your on-road, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier. And perhaps if you need a bit of additional help for those difficult spaces, you also have your park assist, whether this is to help you park or perhaps even leave a space. This has been a presentation on a Range Rover 3.0 D300 Edition. It's now available to purchase from Stafford Land Rover. For more information, please contact our sales team.